Hi guys, you are watching Hyper Tech channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how we can create a business website or professional website within 5 minutes by using the ChatGPT. So in this video tutorial we will not only develop a website in front of you within 5 minutes, but also we will deploy onto the hosting as well. So this is the complete video. Watch end to end, don't skip any step. I've already write the script. I'm opening coffee brand. Kindly create attractive website by using CSS and HTML. Use all free resources. Create coffee menu. Add unique logo and name of the brand is Coffee Chuck. I'm simply copy, paste here. So code is being written, and it will take around 1 to 2 minutes, and after that the website will be ready. It will create an attractive website, and let's say if you want to add some images and special tags or any information regarding that, so you can put into the ChatGPT through the attachment file, or you can simply write the instructions, so it will add into the code and definitely it will appear onto the website. Oh, how crazy it is. So website is ready. Just we will copy, come on to the desktop, we will open the notepad file, paste the code, save as, test.html. Now the website is ready. How frequent it is, you can see that a brilliant website is ready for my coffee brand. Oh wow, excellent. I can change prices, each and everything. If you want to put a unique logo or any image, you can just give the instruction to the GoDaddy and it will add into the website. Once your website is ready, now the website is ready in front of you, so I'm going to deploy it so that public can access it. So let's start. So come on to the cPanel. We are going to create a subdomain, because since it is since we are going to test this website, we will put onto the subdomain. But in your case, obviously once you finalize the website on your local system, you can put it onto the main domain. So we will create one subdomain so that public can access this website, or this traffic can be reached onto the website. Coffee, okay, coffee. Inside the public HTML folder, a coffee folder has been created. Now we will point the DNS so that public can access it. We will create a record. Coffee dot, we will keep a record because we need to create a record. We will take the copy hosting IP, update the DNS. So you can see that DNS has been updated. Now we will go into the file manager. Go inside the public HTML, find out the coffee, upload, go on to the desktop, then here is the file, this one is the file, upload it, file has been uploaded. Now you can see that. Okay, we have to give the path. HTML. You can see that the website is operational. So now this website is publicly accessible and anybody can access my website, and obviously my brand has been launched. You can see that within 5 minutes I deployed the website and on air the website within the 5 minutes. So it's pretty much simple. It is completely customizable. You can give the images, different types of text, or you can guide ChatGPT and it will modify the website for you. Once you satisfy with the website, you can upload onto the hosting or cPanel and point the A record on your website, and finally your website will be operational. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, grow your business. Keep connected with us. Stay safe. See you in the next video.